G'day, welcome to Dave White Workouts. Today we're going to talk about how to fix a treadmill. I picked up a second-hand treadmill for a bargain, which I was like, ooh, do I buy it or don't I buy it? Because even though it was a bargain, it was making a creaking noise. So I watched some YouTube videos and I thought, stuff it, I'll buy it and hopefully I can fix it myself. Otherwise you're going to pay around $200-300 for someone to come fix it. So yep. Spent half a day mucking around watching videos and I figured out what the problem was and how to fix it, so I'll show you what to do. So basically when you stood on the treadmill it made a creaking noise. So what you have to do, you have to get an Allen key and there'll be a hole at the top and you put your Allen key in the top hole there and you unscrew it 5 times on the left, 5 times on the right, 5 times on the left, 5 times on the right. So you've unscrewed it 10 times each side. And then with the belt, once you've unscrewed it, you can get your hand under there because there'll be a lot more slack. And then you just get like an old t-shirt and you have your t-shirt go under one side all the way to the other side. And then you just grab it with your hands and just pull it down from the top to the bottom. Clean off all the lint from underneath, and then you just get a can of silicone spray and you run a spray underneath the belt on that side. Same with the other side from top to bottom, going in about 10 centimetres, spray it all the way down. And then you just jump on the treadmill, probably about 2 to 5 k's an hour, and walk on it for about 5 minutes. And basically you just want to try and go in different spots and just till the oil absorbs on the board. And yeah, after about 5 minutes it fixed it. The other thing you can do, there's a screw under the bottom one, you undo that, then underneath there's another screw. This cap will come off, and then there's 2 screws underneath the board and it will take these side plates off. And then there's the top cover. It's got a screw on either side here, another screw either side here, and that top cover will come off, and then the bottom cover, the side covers will come off. And then you got your motor under here. You can, if there's any dust, just pull it out and spray all the joints. Then you put your cover back on, put your sides back on, and yeah, that's how I fixed it. So yeah, good luck. Hope you got a similar problem, you can fix it yourself. Yeah, so if you want to save money, it's always a good idea to watch YouTube and learn a few tricks and save some money. Alright, see you next time.